afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 33, and the instruction here say we should look out for the word that is nearest a meaning to the underlined word in this sentence. And the underlined word in this sentence is abrupt. Abrupt is underlined. Then, and the sentence says the match came to an abrupt end when the rain started. The match came to an abrupt end when the match came to an abrupt end when the rain started. So option A, sharp; B, bricks; C, quick; D, sudden. And when we talk of sharp, means something fast. Is also synonymous to quick. Then, so you can now note that quick is synonymous to sharp. Then bricks, when something is bricks, it's in bricks, it is standardized. Then when something is sudden, that is unexpected, when something is sudden, unexpected. Then abrupt means unexpected, because when something happened suddenly, is unexpected. That's why the match came to an end unexpected when the rain started. So one can also say that the match came to an end. The match came to an end when the rain started. That is, the match came to an end suddenly when the rain started. So abrupt is synonymous to suddenly. Therefore option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.